Welcome to our kayak adventure in Parsons Pond. And welcome to Newfoundland Drone Productions and Mr. RC Drone Board. I'd like to thank everybody for coming on this little adventure with us today. If this is your first time with us, my name is Bill. And the other guy in the other kayak, his name is Elf. We're just a bunch of friends that go out and do adventures in kayaks and so on. And mostly we're doing it for the people that can't get out and do these things. So if you want to stick around, please hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. And we'll have more videos like this. Unfortunately, as I cut into this B-roll, we had a copy on the beach, but I seem to have lost the file. So this is the B-roll we took as we had the copy. And this is the spot we had our copy. And whatever you take in the woods with you, take out. There's too much garbage in the woods, and I'll show you here in the next scene. We had to take out a boat that was actually stranded, well, left in the woods. So this is the boat that we found in the woods. Well, not in the woods, it was right in the marsh there. Disgusting, really disgusting. We had to take it out. It didn't look good, so we took it out. Well, on behalf of myself and Elf here, I'd like to thank you for joining us as we bring this to an end. We're going to bring it up on the beach here now in a second and pack up the kayaks, and we'll close it out. So I'll leave you with the ambient sound and the music, so enjoy. This has been a Newfound Drone production.